Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the PC, unplug the AC, and remove all peripherals to avoid accidental power. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap or by touching the metal chassis so you don't damage electronics. Once done, remove the case screws and slide off the side panel. Locate the drive bay holding a 3, 5, or 2, 5 disc. Make sure you can access both the SATA data and power connectors before proceeding to removal. You now remove the old drive. First, document cable positions or take a quick photo so reconnection is foolproof. Then unscrew the drive from its tray or release the tool-free bay latch. Handle the drive by its edges and avoid touching circuit boards. Once exposed, gently unplug the SATA data cable and the SATA power connector. Pull the connectors, not the cables, to prevent damage. After the drive is free, set it aside on an anti-static surface while you prepare the replacement. You install the new drive by seating it in the bay or adapter and securing it with the correct screws so it won't vibrate. Once mounted, connect the SATA data cable and SATA power. Make sure cables are fully seated and routed clear of fans. Power on, enter BIOS to confirm the drive is detected, then boot to the OS to initialize and format or restore your image. If the drive isn't detected, check power and data cables, try a different SATA port, and reseat connectors. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.